Are you tired of feeling invisible to the woman you desire? Do you want to become more confident and attractive to the women in your life? Look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing 11 powerful habits that will help you boost your appeal and attract the woman you desire. These habits will not only make you more attractive to women by improving your looks and social skills, but they will also make you feel better in general. By the end of this video, you'll see 11 habits that will make you more attractive to women. Number 11. Have a good sense of humor. Having a good sense of humor is an attractive trait that can make you more appealing to women. After all, who doesn't love to laugh? You get a woman's attention better if you can make her laugh. Women are naturally drawn to men who can make them laugh and enjoy life. A good sense of humor can help you break the ice, lighten the mood, and build a connection. Plus, when you're able to keep a conversation going with a bit of humor, you come off as witty and confident, which are two more attractive qualities. A good sense of humor can be attractive in any situation, from a first date to a party with friends. So make her laugh and show her that you're someone she'd like to be around. Number 10. Dress well and keep yourself well groomed. A well-dressed and well-groomed man is sure to command the attention of any woman. It's the little details that can make all the difference, from the fit of the trousers to the choice of shirt and the type of shoes. As the saying goes, the clothes make the man. When it comes to dressing to impress, it's important to dress for the occasion. A crisp shirt and tailored trousers will do the trick for a night out or an important business meeting. For a more casual look, a pair of jeans and a stylish t-shirt are all you need. It's also important to keep yourself well groomed. A neat beard and trim hairstyle will show that you take pride in your appearance. Taking the time to look your best will send a message that you care about how you present yourself. As the famous French designer Yves Saint Laurent once said, "Fashion fades, but style is eternal." Dressing well and keeping yourself well groomed is a simple habit that will make you more attractive to women. Take the time to dress well and keep yourself groomed, and you can be sure to charm any woman. Number 9. Show confidence without being cocky. Confidence is an attractive quality that women admire in men. A confident man is one who is sure of himself and his abilities, yet is humble and respectful. As the saying goes, confidence is key, and it's the key to success in dating. Showing confidence without being cocky is a habit that will make you more attractive to women. Confidence is attractive, but cockiness can be a real turnoff. As the old saying goes, you can catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. Showing confidence without coming off cocky is key to being attractive to women. Knowing when to walk away from a situation and when to stay and fight for what you believe in shows strength, and women recognize and admire that. Be sure to show your confidence in a way that is respectful and humble, and you'll be sure to win the admiration of the women around you. Number 8. Develop a sense of adventure. Life is an adventure, and those who seek out new experiences are usually the ones who reap the most rewards. So if you want to be attractive, then your best bet is to develop a sense of adventure. Whether you're seeking out new places to explore, trying new foods, taking on a new hobby, or even just having the courage to talk to a stranger, having a sense of adventure will make you more attractive to the woman around you. In the words of Mark Twain, 20 years from now, you'll be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did do. So, throw off the bowlines, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, dream, discover. Having a sense of adventure is about being open to new experiences and following your curiosity. It's about taking chances, trying something new, and taking risks. It's about saying yes more often and embracing the unknown. It's about being adventurous, brave, and courageous. These are all qualities that women find attractive in a man. So start exploring and see what you discover. Number 7. Show empathy and an understanding of others. Show that you are a caring and thoughtful person by showing that you can deeply understand and empathize with other people. This is a quality that many women look for in a potential partner and can be a major factor in whether or not they choose to pursue a relationship with you. Empathy is a powerful tool for improving relationships and deepening connections. When you show genuine compassion and understanding for another person, it creates a bond that is both lasting and meaningful. Women are particularly drawn to men who can demonstrate empathy, and this helps them feel safe and appreciated. Empathy is not something that can be faked. It has to come from a genuine place of understanding, and it takes practice to get it right. Be sure to take the time to listen to people around you and show that you are genuinely interested in their thoughts and feelings. This will go a long way towards making you attractive to women. Number 6. Practice good personal hygiene. First impressions are everything, and you never get a second chance to make one. This is especially true when it comes to attracting women. Practicing good personal hygiene is one habit that will make you more attractive to women. Keeping yourself clean and well groomed will show that you take pride in your appearance and can help you make a lasting impression. Taking the time to bathe daily, brush your teeth twice a day, and groom your hair will give you that extra boost of confidence that makes you irresistible. Not only that, but it will also show that you care about yourself and take the time to take care of your body. A little effort goes a long way when it comes to attracting the attention of women. Number 5. Show your intelligence. Intelligence has always been an attractive quality in a woman, and this is especially true when it comes to the opposite sexes. Women are naturally drawn to smart men, and showing off your smarts is a good way to get the attention of potential partners. Whether you're a big reader, a natural problem solver, or an expert in a certain field, showing off your intelligence is a good way to show what you can do and how valuable you are as a potential partner. Women are more likely to be impressed by men who can clearly express themselves, show that they know a lot, and that they can think critically. Showing off your intelligence can be a great way to start a conversation, as women are naturally drawn to those who can engage in intelligent conversation. Number 4. Be kind and generous. If you want to be more attractive to women, start by being kind and generous. Showing these qualities will make you stand out from the crowd and show you that you are a person of good character. A recent study has shown that women find men with strong moral values more attractive than men with physical features. As the great Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu said, "Kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profundity. Kindness in giving creates love." Showing kindness and generosity is a surefire way to become more attractive to women. Number 3. Listen and be a good conversationalist. Everyone wants to be heard and understood. Listening and being a good conversationalist are great ways to build strong relationships and show your attractive side to women. As the saying goes, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so we can listen twice as much as we speak. Listening and being a good conversationalist can not only help you build strong connection with women you're interested in, but can also show her that you care about her and want to understand her. So if you want to be more attractive to women, make sure you listen and be a great conversationalist. Number 2. Exercise regularly and stay fit. You only have one body, so why not make it the best it can be? That's the motto of many people who work out regularly and stay fit. Exercise isn't just about looking good on the outside, it's about feeling good on the inside. Regular exercise can give you more energy, help you sleep better, reduce stress, and even make you more attractive to women. Not only that, but it can help you build confidence, stay healthy, and look great. As the renowned fitness trainer Jillian Michaels said, "The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you'd rather not." So why not take the time to prioritize health and reap the rewards? So if you want to impress women, make sure you hit the gym regularly. With regular exercise, you'll look and feel your best and be sure to turn heads. Number 1. Show your sense of independence. Nothing is as attractive to a woman as a man who is independent and self-sufficient. Independence is the key to winning a woman's heart. Showing your sense of independence will demonstrate to women that you have the confidence and self-assurance to make decisions on your own. Doing things on your own, like taking a weekend trip, going to the gym, or pursuing a passionate hobby, will make you stand out from the crowd and show that you are a man of action. When you take action on your own, you'll show that you are not afraid to take risks and that you are not relying on someone else to make decisions for you. This will make you more attractive to women and give them the assurance that you can take care of yourself and them. The purpose of this video was to provide you with 11 helpful habits that you can use to become more attractive to women. From dressing to impress to becoming more confident, these habits will help you make a positive impression. With a little bit of effort, you can become the kind of person that women will be naturally drawn to. Now you need to watch the recommended video you see on the screen right now. It will show you how to make women beg for your attention. Make sure you watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.